In a late night affidavit, the Union government on Sunday told the Supreme Court that differential pricing of vaccine by manufacturer for the center and the state or private hospitals would have no impact on the citizen who would be given the vaccine free of cost. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut on Sunday launched an indirect attack on Congress, claiming there is lack of a strong leadership in Delhi capable of taking on PM Narendra Modi during the 2024 polls, reports Sujit Mahalmulkar. In his first interview after the assembly polls and taking over as Chief Election Commission, Sushil Chandra said the strong turnout was a vote of confidence in the Election Commission and defended the role of central forces who he said had ensured fair polls. From rupees 250, the cost of vaccine in the private sector has shot up by to six times. It's now ranged from rupees 700 to 900 for Covishield manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. US-based India doctors and philanthropic groups have joined hands with Parallels Tata Memorial Hospital to tackle the surge in demand for medical oxygen. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Sunday talking about the projected third wave during an online interaction with over 700 private medical practitioners in the city said they could play a crucial role during the pandemic by becoming Majha doctor from the people. South Korean President Moon Jae-in on Monday, he was looking forward to North Korea's response to engagement efforts as he seeks to restore peace building amid stalled talks over Pyongyang's nuclear and missile programs. The Taliban on Monday declared a 3-day ceasefire across Afghanistan to mark this week's Eid al-Fitr holiday, just 2 days after being blamed for killing more than 50 people, mostly young girls, in a bomb attack outside a school in the capital. Aligarh Muslim University Vice Chancellor Tariq Mansoor has written to the Director General of Indian Council of Medical Research seeking urgent genome analysis of COVID samples sent from their lab following deaths of several employees, including 16 serving faculty members and a number of retired teachers living on the campus due to the virus, reports Anuja Jaiswal. Bollywood actor Tushar Kapoor has been embracing parenthood as well as parenthood duties with sincerity and responsibility. Back in 2016, he had welcomed his son Laksh through surrogacy.